How to join your bias tape ends neatly and fast. First, trim off the extra piece at the bottom. Then, straighten both strings like this, cut right in the middle so they're the same length. Now, trim the extra length on top but leave a bit for the joint. Fold it up about half an inch. Tuck the bottom piece inside. This way, the end looks smooth and full, and the seam almost disappears. Got it? No serger at home? No worries, here's what you can do. Take two fabric pieces, overlap them just a tiny bit, and wrap the edge together. When you cut, make sure your line is super straight, then flip it over, open it up, and top stitch right along the edge, about 1 millimeter in. Boom. Both sides look clean and smooth. No raw edges, no fraying. Front and back, totally neat and pro. When hemming jeans or thick pants and it gets super bulky here, it can snag the fabric, bend needles, and even break your thread. Here's a quick hack. Snip two tiny cuts right at the seam. Open it up, fold it flat like this. Now, no matter how thick your hem is, your needle won't break and the fabric moves easily. See that? Nice and flat, smooth finish, and your stitch line stays perfect. Faster and cleaner every time. Little tip for joining bias tape ends perfectly. Line up both top and bottom edges evenly. Sew a few back stitches to lock it in. Then flip the top piece over. Cross the bottom piece diagonally and stitch it down from corner to corner. Trim off the extra bit, and boom, your bias tape is joined clean and tight. Easy, right? Now let's make a clean corner fold. Watch closely. Line up your fabric to the sharp corner. Fold it in like this, then fold it back the other way. Make sure both edges match perfectly. Sew right along that fold, backstitch to secure, and trim the extra. Then flip the corner out. And there you go. A perfect crisp corner that looks pro and super easy to do. Did you get it?